the neural filter on Photoshop, which is kind of amazing. It's here, and let me just show it to you real quick. But this is here under beta, and then it's called Smart Portrait, and you select whatever image, whichever face, and then you can change. All I changed was happiness in this case because you know, it's not, compared to the kids, they're not smiling enough, in my opinion. And the gaze I fixed because this looked a little bit like he was having a half blink. Anyway, I already did this, so let me show you the difference. Neural expression fix, that's it. See? Doesn't look half bad. However, what I did after I applied this filter, because here this is actually the original, it's a little too much. It looks almost fake, and I feel like he loses expression in this eye. So instead, what I did, I made a copy of it, and then I started deleting with the eraser tool. I just took a little bit off here, and a little bit off her eyes here, and just looked at it, because what it does is it smooths the skin, and in comparison to the kids, you see the kids are sharper. So I had to also play around with sharpening a little bit afterwards. Like I sharpened the edges here, and then I made my brush smaller, and I just made a little sharper here and around the nose and so on. So you have to play with it still, I think, a little bit, but overall I think it's pretty cool, because you see, especially the eye here with the half blink, I'm really liking this. Also, as you can see, I took some of the eye bags off. Anywho, I'm loving this because this is gonna be a big print. So that's all, folks.